Vrshikasana, scorpion position. This is a very advanced position which requires a lot of strength and balance. Benefits and contraindications are listed here below. As a preparation, you can do strengthening asanas, balancing asanas, and backbend asanas. As a preparation, let's start next to the wall in handstand. From handstand, you can place both legs to the wall up, and from here a little bit you can lift your head up. You can lift your head up and you can lift your shoulders as well, and just feel how it feels. If you are comfortable with lifted head, then you can release the wall and you can start to balance yourself. If you lose balance, you can place back your heels onto the wall. As you're coming out from the position, relax for a few breaths. Next modification or preparation when you're using a brick. Place the brick between your palms. Palms should be on the side of the brick. See that your forearm is parallel to each other and you have energy in the inner elbows, and you keep your leg lifted all the time. Slowly lift one leg and the other leg up to the wall, and when you feel the balance, then try to release the wall. See that your legs are active and parallel with each other. Whenever you lose balance, you can put your soul back to the wall. Stay in the position as long as you can and start to breathe equally into the position. Muscles and your overall strength can be improved when you can breathe equally inside the position. Then it means then you start to master the position. As a beginner, you hardly can breathe into the position. Next modification or preparation is when you place a belt above your elbow, and this will keep your upper arm in place. And now without the brick, keeping the forearm parallel with each other, becoming up, and again, if you lose balance, you can place your feet on the wall. Here, the key is to engage the back part of the body. The more you engaging the back part of the body and the core muscles, sooner or later it will be easier to balance. When you are prepared and ready, try the full version of Vrshikasana without the wall. I left this falling deliberately into the video, so you can see that even if you fall, you can fall correctly without any problem. Once, maybe you should fall deliberately as well, and after you won't be afraid of falling. So let's lift your leg into the full version. See that the base of the asana is as its instruction in the previous modification. So you have power in your inner elbow, the forearms are parallel with each other, and you're really engaging the core muscles, the back muscles, the back of the leg. If you are well in the asana and you can keep it at least for 1 minute, then you can start to do variations as well with the leg, which requires even a higher amount of balancing. You can do, for example, Garudasana, or you can try to do later Padmasana as well in the position. Between the variation, you can rest for a few breaths. This asana, I practiced it for a few years until I could hold it for 1 minute. Along the way, I learned a lot about myself and about my body. It gave me balance, strength, stamina, and endurance. It worth to do it.